Leading reliability is kind of like a Goldilocks conference. It's not too big, it's not too small. You get to interact with everybody and learn a lot from the people who are here.
Since we walked into this conference, we were welcomed with open arms. We were addressed by name. We know everyone by name. The smallness, the closeness, and the network connections that we've made here, you just really can't pass that up.
You ever feel like you're stuck or you don't know where to get started on your journey? Attend Leading Reliability.
You get a lot more time to spend networking with people in the profession and people from different companies and bouncing things off of each other.
It's so seldom that we get that on a daily basis, so when we do have opportunities, it's very helpful.
I've got to meet some people from other companies and spend time at dinner just hanging out, talking about reliability, talking about other things, their struggles, our struggles.
We all face the same battle. It's uphill the whole way. In our day-to-day work, we don't really get to communicate with our peers like we do at Leading Reliability.
Reliability is probably the most frustrating field you can go into. A lot of people say, I don't know how I ended up here, but here I am. And you come here and you get inspired and motivated, and it's that momentum that really pushes you to break through whatever obstacles that you have.
It can be exhausting if you're kind of on your own and you're isolated and you're in your plant and you're in the day-to-day. And to come to an event where people speak the language that you're trying to speak and that understand kind of what you're going through, absolutely, it's motivating.
I feel like sitting here in these sessions, I'm already writing up the next 3 things I'm gonna do, and I'm like, oh, this didn't work, we're going here. It's been awesome.
I most definitely will want to come back next year.
We're so glad that we could come to this one.